Yeah, got it up in the air. Finna do an oil change, you know, regular maintenance. Gonna hit off with some regular maintenance and then, you know, go ahead and wash up. Get ready to put up for the winter time. It's gonna be time for transforming. Then, you know, go ahead and put them lower end springs, all that, get it ready for next spring. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
What a beautiful day to live.
Alright, so it's time to get some protection. Alright. Finally got me a guard from my oil cooler. First real mod. Cause before I start lowering things, I want to protect things. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and get that in today. So look, it's crazy. This is all the protection that BMW gives you. That big hole right there is exposed to oil. So this is what I put on there. Now y'all check this out.